Welcome to Sawyer Retreat, a modern vacation home nestled into Michigan's native sand dunes. Perched on a steep bluff along a quiet ravine, this home offers panoramic views of Lake Michigan. Designed for privacy, respite, and family gatherings, its unique integration with the rugged landscape creates a perfect balance of seclusion and natural beauty. Arriving at Sawyer Retreat, a single-lane road leads to its minimalist black charred wood exterior. A thin bridge spanning the sloping terrain sets the tone, reflecting the home's light touch on its surroundings. The structure's two floating wooden volumes are strategically placed to preserve the environment, blending seamlessly into the dense dunescape while inviting lake views inside. Inside, the home is all about framing the stunning scenery. From the entryway's glimpse of Lake Michigan to the open living spaces that spill onto a deck overlooking the ravine, every moment connects to nature. The dramatic slice of skylight ties together upper and lower floors, where family and guest rooms share serene views and comfort. With its earthy materials designed to weather with time, Sawyer Retreat becomes one with its surroundings. Floating above sandy soil and treetops, this modern escape offers tranquility, beauty, and space for cherished family memories. A timeless retreat for those seeking harmony with the natural world.